Hello and welcome back to Technically Something, the show where we talk about technology, creativity, tutorials, and gaming. I'm your host Kevin Allen, and I love free things. Do you? I think you do. If you don't, you're lying. But I guess to specify, not all free things are good. Sometimes you get something for free and it's just a heaping, smelly pile of garbage. But nothing could be further from the truth with all of Google's apps. I was introduced to these apps when I first started teaching. At that point, I had never used Google Drive, Google Docs, Slides, Forms, all that stuff. Not only are they free, I have discovered that they are relatively easy to use, and they do just as well as their counterparts like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and the like. And the best part about all of this is that they are cloud-based, so you can share them from any computer anywhere. So long as you're able to log in, you can also share them with other people who have Gmail or Google accounts. So many of us need to use a word processor or a digital means to present information. And I mean, this goes for students and professionals alike. Why would you spend all this money every single year on something like Office 365 when you could use Google for $0? For those of you not keeping up, that means that you don't spend anything. You don't spend money. You don't have to. You just make an account. Just make an account and let them track you. That last part, I don't know. That's probably true. So given all of that stuff, I wanted to introduce a brand new series that kind of flips the script a little bit. I'm trying a few new things, but I'm going to be showing you how to use all of these different cloud-based applications by Google. And it's called How to Become a Google Foo Master. And in this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Slides, Google Drawings, and Google Forms. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the Google Docs portion of this series. Each episode is going to be broken out into very small portions, like just a few minutes each. That way you can jump right in, learn how to use the tool, get right back out. If you want to go through the whole series, you're more than welcome to. They will be in order inside of a single playlist on this YouTube channel. Whew. All right. And all the intros will be much shorter, but this is the first one, so of course I had to say all of this stuff. If you're ready to go ahead and get to the next video, and we're gonna go over Google Docs navigation. I'll see you there.